Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add a text box on Canva. So let's say we have our audio or our pictures or project we want to edit. We can add a text box by clicking on the text icon here. Once we click on the text icon, we would see various ways to add our text. We can even add our text app here that designs very beautiful text for us. But since we are adding a text box, just click on this add text box here. So click on it. Now you can add your paragraph text. So let me just write cinematic times anime, and I can change the color to be something else. Let me say blue. And this blue. Now I could also reduce the I can also add other type of make some other type of edits. I can add effects. I can animate it or add some other things here. So this is how to add a text box on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Do have a great day.